Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you plant hormone gibberellin. Gibberellins are important class of plant hormone. They are more than there are more than 100 gibberellins. They are abbreviated as GA1, GA2, GA3 and so on. GA3 was discovered first. Gibberellin was discovered by E. Kurosawa. Gibberellin was obtained from fungus Gibberella fujikuroi. Therefore, its name was given gibberellin. Gibberellin stimulate growth in plants. The site of production of gibberellin in plants are embryo, root, young leaves. The chemical name of gibberellin are gibberellic acid. Children, you have to study physiological function of gibberellins. Major physiological functions of the gibberellins are: first is stem elongation. Gibberellin promote cell enlargement and cell division. In the sugarcane plant, it increase the size of internode. Therefore, there is more production of the sugar. Second point is overcome genetic dwarfism. The plants which are dwarf variety, after application of gibberellin, the plants elongate like normal plant. So therefore we can say it overcomes dwarfism. Third point is it breaks dormancy. Children, you know dormancy is the condition in which seed or bud, seed is not going to germinate and bud also not going to develop into young plant. When all the conditions which are essential are available, but when gibberellins are used, their dormancy will break and they can germinate. Next is flowering and sex expression. Gibberellin initiate flowering and it will play important role in the sex expression. For example, there is cucurbit plant. Female cucurbit plants start producing male flowers after the application of gibberellin. Next point is gibberellin causes parthenocarpy, fruits, and it also increase the size of the fruit. And next is seed germination. Gibberellin play important role in seed germination. It will initiate the activity of hydrolysis, which metabolize seed storage reserve food, and germination in the seed will start. Children, you have to know agricultural use of gibberellins. So gibberellin used to improve the size, color, quality and number of fruits. It means after the application of gibberellin, number of fruits will increase, size will increase, color will change and quality is improved. By the farmers, gibberellins are used to promote elongation of internode in the sugarcane plant, and gibberellins are used by farmers for breaking dormancy of buds and seeds so that they can get a new young plant.